that quote ad. He has sold more than I think billion copies across the world. And he himself वो खुद ही बोलते हैं कि मैं सबसे बेस्ट राइटर नहीं हूँ, ऑथर नहीं हूँ दुनिया का, बट वो बोलते हैं कि मेरा बुक इज द बेस्ट सेलिंग बुक. You understand? Selling book and a written book, having a talent for art and selling book में फर्क है. In the sense like there are so many talented authors who are beautiful style of writing, lovely expression of writing, good content, but they are still not making money out of it. They're not successful when it comes to earning money out of it. Why? And the same thing, logic या relation, मैं तुमको I can put it for other fields also. I have come across so many professionals, talented people who are like brilliant. I'm telling you, highly intellectual है. When it comes to painters, artists, singers, dancers, यहाँ तक कि highly qualified people, doctors, engineers, CAs, but yet they are not super rich. They are not millionaires. Why? Where is the gap? They don't have the potential. They have. They are very intelligent. They have the skills, the talent. तो फर्क कहाँ है? और मैंने बहुत सारे मीडियोकर लोगों को, मीडियोकर मतलब जिनमें इतना टैलेंट भी नहीं है, एवरेज, ओके, देखे हैं कितने सारे who are stinking rich. The best example I can give, when I was in school, I was the topper in my school in academics. I'm proud to say I was number 1. 91% till 10th standard, Ruparel College, excellent academics, okay, B.Pharm, MBA, okay, gold medalist, everything. But now in my own class, in my school, I remember some backbenchers, जो कि 60%, 70% लेके आते थे. And now when I check where they are doing wonderful in their life. मतलब one of them is owning a chain of gyms across India. They are so successful when it comes to finance. I'm not saying that having degrees is bad, okay? You should have education. I'm not saying about that part. What I'm trying to emphasize is that कि you may have lot of talent, but अगर वो potential या intelligence आप market नहीं करोगे, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. तुम जहाँ हो वहीं रहोगे. You remain a middle class throughout your life, because research has shown that. So as widely said, marketing and sales is a very key important thing to success. So that's why Robert Kiyosaki says कि mine is the best-selling author. He was the best-selling author because his book sold billions of copies across the world because he was very good in marketing and promotion. So friends, अगर आप लोग ने अभी तक अपने आप का प्रमोशन नहीं किया है, या अपने बिजनेस का, अपने टैलेंट का, या अपने कोई भी जो which is going to help you to grow, then start promoting. Don't stop yourself. As he rightly put it across, talk, meet people, network, tell them who you are, pass your cards. Don't feel shy, give up your ego. Tell them proudly, I'm a motivational speaker, I have this so and so seminar coming up. I'm a fitness expert, I do yoga training, I'm a dancer, I'm a model, whatever, I'm an author. Pass your card. He will talk about his MLM, whatever. Talk. If you hit at least 100 people, at least 2 people will come and join you. That is called as, you know what? That is called as, there's a very famous law. It's in mathematics. It is termed as law of probability. 2% strike rate is there. But for that, आपको 100 लोगों के पास जाना पड़ेगा. So you have to open up. You have to promote yourself. And अभी तो it is the world has become such a small place. Social media, it's such a big platform for you. Explore it. Come on. People are misusing it. लोग अपनी personal chat कर रहे हैं, boyfriends and all these things. But अगर if you use it for your business to earn money, friends, you can make billions. You can reach out to so many people. Think like that. Think in the way how you can earn money out of it. The more customers you get, the more people who come to you, the more strike rate it will be. Attend plenty of conferences, seminars, जहाँ पर like-minded people are there, like you. Talk to them, network. like there are so many proposals coming up ki let's do something together. Yes, like Devesh approached me and I also approached him, so we both are working and he's helping me shoot my fitness channel videos and I'm helping him to promote as a trainer. So we are both working together, win-win. Me and Francis are working together. We can work out so many options. I and Mr. Pankaj are working together for MLM training. Okay? So these things will happen only if you go and promote yourself. अगर आप अपनी ही दुनिया में रहोगे and expect करते हो कि मेरे पास लोग आएंगे, तो प्लीज वैसे नहीं होने वाला. मैं लिख कर देती हूँ. You might be the most brilliant guy on this earth. You might be next to Einstein. फिर भी तुम्हारे पास कोई नहीं आएगा, कोई नहीं आने वाला. Because you have to take the first step. You have to go out and call people. This is like what we used to do in our Wockhardt Pharmaceuticals. I worked with Wockhardt for 2 years as a product group manager. I'm from pharma industry only. And we used to go to doctors, 200 calls every month. The doctors have a lot of attitude. First, they won't give time, 8, 2, 5 minutes maximum. We used to go with our medical reps to sell our drugs. उसके बाद वो लोग सुनेंगे नहीं, कुछ और काम करते रहेंगे, फिर बोलेंगे यार हम लोग को टाइम नहीं, बाद में आओ, ये आओ. So much of attitude. But still, the medical rep used to go to the doctor again and again. यही ख्वाहिश से कि एक दिन वो लिखेगा. And that is what happens. So don't take anything personally. अगर वो लोग ने ना भी बोल दिया, कोई बात नहीं. Which Simon explained to you. It is okay. Focus on earning money. That is the most important thing. Forget बाकी का is all trash and crap. Forget everything. अगर तुमने वो achieve किया, then this is all worth the game. So please focus on what one? Marketing and sales. And इसमें rich people are expert in this. You know how much companies invest in marketing? Can anybody tell? Nisham, you're a marketing manager. How much do you normally spend on marketing in a year?
It's average about 20%.
20%? Average on the forecasted sales. 20% every year is invested in marketing. Huge. Most of the companies have a similar product. But why is it that कोई companies के ही brands चलते हैं market में? क्यों Pepsi और Coke बिकते हैं market में? इतने सारे तो है, Thumbs Up है, Limca है, but क्यों market dominate करता है यही दो soft drinks से? Because of their marketing and promotion, the way they have built brands, they have spent on it. So it's a very powerful tool, my friends, and millionaires know this trick. That's why they invest and they don't see left and right when it comes to marketing. They go out, they don't care. अगर ये बंदा नहीं दिख रहा है तो दूसरा तो तीसरा तो चौथा, जब तक उनका सेल्स वाला मिलता नहीं है, till they get their customer who likes their brands. They move on, but they will see that they get their business. So very important is marketing and sales. So please focus on it. Don't be in a shell. Come out of it. Explore the world. Give out your shyness. Reduce your ego. क्या मैं इसको कैसे आगे पूछ सकता हूँ? इसकी क्या वैल्यू है? Many people feel like that I'm so highly educated. How can I go to a person who is just a graduate? Okay, how can I talk? How can I call him for my seminar? And he is from a different industry, film industry. Film industry is such a cheap industry. मेरे पास ऐसे कितने members आए थे inquiries. क्या film industry ये तो बहुत cheap है, ये लोग नहीं आएंगे seminars के लिए. But it is not true. I got a paid member from a film industry who wanted to attend my seminar. So the crux is that don't go with any presumptions or preconceived notions. Go with an open mind. Focus that I want money. Whether वो filmy guy हो या corporate हो या और कोई हो, मुझे पैसा चाहिए और उसके लिए मैं किसी के सामने भी जाके अपना प्रोडक्ट सेल करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. तो उतना आपको देखना पड़ेगा, कोई जजमेंट नहीं किसी के बारे में भी. एंड अगर उसने ना भी बोला, बिग डील, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? दूसरा है, तीसरा है, बोलते रहो. एंड एज यू राइटली सेड, रिलेशनशिप्स रखो, किसी के साथ झगड़ा मत करो. कहना बहुत आसान है यार, कि काफी लोग बहुत स्टूपिड एक्सक्यूजेस देते हैं. यार मेरा मेरे मेरे बेटे का बर्थडे है, मैं नहीं आ सकता, मुझे इधर जाना है उधर जाना है। सेमिनार मतलब लेक्चर, ये तो कॉलेज वाला लेक्चर हुआ, सम बोरिंग प्रोफेसर आएगा ज्ञान देगा ज्ञान। वो और मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ, हम लोग ज्ञान नहीं सुनना, ओके। और तुम्हारे सेमिनार के बाद सच में कोई मिलियनर होने वाला है तो डोंट गेट अपसेट, डोंट फाइट।